Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the culinary treasures from around the world. Today, we have something truly special in store for you as we dive into the unknown facts of a Vietnamese culinary gem, Gân Bun. If you're a fan of Vietnamese cuisine or just curious about unique dishes, you're in for a treat. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious discoveries. Let's get started. What is Gân Bun? First things first, what exactly is Gân Bun? Gân Bun is a traditional Vietnamese soup that often flies under the radar, overshadowed by its more famous counterparts like pho. But today, we're here to shine a light on this unsung hero of Vietnamese cuisine. Gân Bun typically features a clear, flavorful broth made from pork bones and crab. The broth is the heart and soul of this dish, and its preparation is an art form in itself. The secret ingredient. Now, here's the first unknown fact, the secret ingredient that sets Gân Bun apart. Unlike other Vietnamese soups, Gân Bun often includes a unique ingredient that adds a distinctive flavor profile. Can you guess what it is? It's water spinach, also known as morning glory. This leafy green vegetable not only adds a vibrant color to the soup but also brings a refreshing and slightly peppery taste. It's a surprising twist that elevates Gân Bun to a whole new level. Regional variations. Just like many traditional dishes, Gân Bun has regional variations that showcase the diverse culinary landscape of Vietnam. Depending on where you are in the country, you might find different ingredients and variations in the preparation of Gân Bun. For example, in the northern regions, you might come across Gân Bun with thicker noodles and a more savory broth, while in the south, it's common to find a sweeter and lighter version. It's fascinating how a single dish can adapt to the local tastes and preferences. The ritual of eating Gân Bun. Now, let's talk about the unique ritual of eating Gân Bun. Unlike some other Vietnamese soups that come pre-assembled, Gân Bun is often served as a build-your-own experience. Diners are presented with a bowl of piping hot broth, a plate of fresh herbs, lime wedges, and sometimes a separate plate of meat and noodles. It's up to the individual to customize their bowl according to their preferences. This interactive dining experience makes Gân Bun not just a meal but a social activity. The art of noodle making. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of Gân Bun, the noodles. While the focus is often on the broth and ingredients, the noodles play a crucial role in defining the dish. What many people don't know is that the noodles for Gân Bun are often handmade. Yes, you heard it right. The art of making Gân Bun noodles involves a meticulous process of kneading, rolling, and cutting. These handmade noodles have a distinct texture and absorb the flavors of the broth in a way that store-bought noodles simply can't replicate. Gân Bun as comfort food. Beyond its delicious taste, Gân Bun holds a special place in Vietnamese culture as a comfort food. Whether you're feeling under the weather or just seeking a heartwarming meal, a steaming bowl of Gân Bun is like a culinary hug. It's not uncommon for families to gather around a pot of simmering Gân Bun, sharing stories and laughter. The warmth of the broth and the communal experience make it a go-to comfort dish for many Vietnamese households. The influence of French cuisine. Here's a surprising twist to the Gân Bun story, its connection to French cuisine. During the French colonial period in Vietnam, French culinary techniques and ingredients found their way into Vietnamese kitchens, giving birth to unique fusions. Gân Bun, with its clear broth reminiscent of French consommé, is a prime example. The subtle infusion of French culinary elements adds a layer of sophistication to this seemingly humble soup. Health benefits of Gân Bun. Now, let's talk health. Gân Bun isn't just a treat for your taste buds. It's also packed with nutritional benefits. The broth, made from simmering pork bones and crab, is rich in collagen, which is great for your skin, hair, and joints. And there you have it, folks, the unknown facts of Vietnamese Gân Bun. Next time you find yourself in a Vietnamese restaurant, don't hesitate to give Gân Bun a try and savor the layers of flavors hidden in this culinary masterpiece. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Vietnamese cuisine, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating!